Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Welcome. My name is Trisha.
And I am Leonard.
And together we are the
Youngs.
And today, guys, we are going to be talking to you about moving to the Cayman Islands, the cost of living in the second most expensive country in the world. So guys, yes, we have done this video before, but that was in 2020, and believe me when I say that inflation has skyrocketed. Guys, we'll be talking to you about all that you need to know: the cost of housing, entertainment, rent, gas, groceries, all that you need to know,
Guys, when you see a place moving from fifth or sixth place, most expensive in the world, to second, you know something is happening.
Yes.
And believe me guys, something is happening over here with the prices in Cayman.
As I believe all over the world, but we jump from fifth to second. So yes, something is definitely happening. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed, though, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button down below.
Wait, would I like and subscribe it? Like and subscribe, man.
Like out the video, guys, share, comment, and subscribe. So guys, we're going to be starting with a one bedroom with share facilities, right? Meaning you have your bedroom and your bathroom, but you share your kitchen and living area. Can cost you upwards of $1,100, and this may or may not include utilities. So 1,100 Cayman dollars, guys, is approximately 190,000 Jamaican dollars, or 1,320 US dollars. I am seeing, however, where a place, one bedroom, share facilities can cost you $750, but this was away from the Georgetown area, so it all depends on where that unit is. That $750 may or may not include utilities, while 750 Cayman dollars is 129,000 Jamaican dollars, or 900 US dollars.
Guys, the cost of an average one bedroom in Georgetown now, you're looking at 1,500, and that may vary based on the area, but you're looking at around that figure, 1,500 for a one bedroom flat. And that may or may not include utilities.
And the $1,500 that Obi was talking about for a one bedroom unit, inclusive of bathroom, living room, and kitchen, that is 258,000 Jamaican, which is equivalent to nearly
2,000 US dollars.
A one bedroom unit. Guys, I also saw where a huge one bedroom villa, guys, it was huge. It was going for upwards of 2,500 Cayman dollars. 2,500 Cayman dollars, guys, is nearly $500 million, 430,000 JMD, and 3,000 US dollars. So guys, the cost of housing is all dependent on where you live, because I saw where in Red Bay Prospect a one bedroom unit was going for 1,150 Cayman dollars, and that 1,150 Cayman dollars was inclusive of utilities. And 1,150 Cayman dollars, guys, is nearly 300,000 Jamaican dollars and over 1,300 USD dollars.
So guys, if you're looking for a two bedroom, two bathroom in Cayman, you're looking at over $2,000.
And $2,000, guys, is equivalent to 344,000 Jamaican dollars, and it is the same as 2,380 USD dollars. Before, guys, the cost of housing is all dependent on where it is located, because I also saw where persons were asking for a room, just a room and a bathroom, and that was 1,400 Cayman dollars.
Is $1,783 USD dollars.
So the prices, as I've mentioned before, it's all dependent on where you want to live, in or close to town or far away from town. And the closer to town that you live is the more expensive these prices may be.
So guys, that's housing. Now moving to the food. Before we were spending around 400, the most 500 Cayman dollars per month for our groceries.
And that was in 2020. So
And now we are spending close to
800.
Cayman dollars per month.
And that is approximately 140,000 Jamaican dollars. And our spending habit has not changed, people. We're not taking up 5 items now instead of 2 because of the new addition to our family. She's breastfed. She's not eating much, people.
So these are just basic necessities.
Guys, some of the items that we did mention in 2020 was like best dressed chicken, and back then best dressed chicken cost $1.67 per pound, and that was equivalent to Jamaican 267 JMD dollars. Now, people,
best dressed chicken is going for a whopping $2.49 per pound, and that is 544 Jamaican dollars.
Braised corned beef in 2020 was $2.49, and now it is $2.99. Cabbage, people. Cabbage was how much, Leo?
Cabbage was $1.29 per pound.
No, the
No.
organic.
Cabbage is $3.69 per pound. You understand?
Yes, organic cabbage.
Lettuce was $2.49 per pound. Now it is $3.79 per pound.
That is equivalent to Jamaican $652, guys, for a head of lettuce.
Coconut milk.
If you want coconut milk for the rice and peas, then it was what, 79 cents?
79 cents.
Now you're looking at
89. Grace Vienna sausage was $1.09, and now it's $1.19. So there we see a 10-cent increase on the Vienna sausage, and that is equivalent to Jamaican $254.
Alright, now the pound of rice. 10 pound of rice of Alberta rice, $6.79.
We find that kind of reasonable. $6.79 is equivalent to Jamaican $1,100, nearly $1,200, wouldn't you say, babe? For 10 pound of rice, that sounds very reasonable, right?
I guess so.
Comment down below, guys, what's the cost for a pound of rice.
Where you're from.
2 pounds of all-purpose flour is $2.39 per kg, or $5 for 5 pounds of flour. And $5, guys, is $860. So $860 for 5 pounds of rice. That sounds bad, babe? I don't think so. I think that sounds reasonable. Comment down below as well how much you pay for a pound of flour in JA or wherever you are from.
So guys, surprisingly what you might find is that some food items over here might be less expensive than those in Jamaica actually.
I really believe so. So even in spite of the sharp increase from paying $450 to $800, some items are cheaper. That's what I believe, especially fruits.
Look, so guys, we just talk about food. No, to get the food you have to drive, right? Or you have to take taxi. So guys, we're talking about now gas prices. That pump, believe me guys, it just keeps going up and up and up. Those prices at the pump, up and up. And the needle, the gas gauge, it just don't move. Now for premium, you're paying $5.87 minimum to maximum $6.53. at the pump per liter for premium gas. For regular, you're paying $5.75 to a maximum of $6.38 per liter at the pump.
So that 6.38 cents, guys, is equivalent to Jamaican nearly $1,100 per liter, right? And that is nearly $8 per liter in US.
So guys, for diesel, you're looking at a low of $5.24 per liter to a high of $6.73 per liter.
Yes, so over $1,200 per liter for gas, guys. So yes, guys, gas gone up.
Guys, me soon start park my car and just walk to work. Me I live too far, so you know, me I really consider it hard. Yeah, put down on a gas bill.
So what's the cost for entertainment, guys? In 2020, we didn't go out a lot, but we started going out a little bit more in 2022. So we are better able to tell you, you know, a good price range as to what it would cost to eat in, you know, they say upscale restaurant, but you know, a restaurant by the sea, or you know, your regular bar and grill. So eating out, for example, at a bar and grill for two can cost you around $60K dollars, or a little less than $60K dollars, and that is inclusive of gratuity. And guys,
That price don't include dessert, and it might just include one appetizer and your main course.
and $60K dollars, guys, is a little over 10,000 Jamaican dollars, which I find to be very reasonable. That's the usual price that people pay for a two-course meal, for a one-course meal in Jamaica when they eat out at a fancy restaurant.
Eating at the bar and grill. But if you want to go out and eat at a fancy restaurant now with nice oceanfront view, you're looking to pay over $100K dollars. And
Guys, that is just the main course, and if you want probably tea and take one little dessert and share fee to order, that is well over $100K dollars, and that is 20,000 Jamaican dollars, and probably 120 US dollars for just two persons. So eating out in the Cayman Islands can be very costly. So what I'd suggest, guys, you can cook your own food at a fancy location somewhere at the beach. There's free what you call it, babe?
Ambiance.
Free ambiance, people. Or what you can do as well, you can skip the dining in and dine out. You can order the food so that you would not pay like gratuity. We spoke about housing, we spoke about gas prices, groceries, and entertainment. This is what it costs to live in the Cayman Islands in 2022. Inflation has gone up significantly. Housing has increased by 11.5%, restaurants 5.6%, clothing 2%, recreation 1.3%, as well as food 4.3%. Guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. This is what cost of living is like in the Cayman Islands for 2022.
I hope this was helpful for you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? Bye guys.
Bye, guys.